today's game, kaboom!
你好，我是 Ava 老师。Today I'm going to share a fun game that you can play at home with your kids or in the classroom setting. This game is called kaboom. I use this game for practicing Chinese pinyin, Chinese characters, or some sight words. It's a perfect game to make learning enjoyable and fun. As we know that language learning requires a lot of repetition, so this game is perfect for that. This game is requires at least 2 players.
Let's go boom, 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 boom.
Now let's look at how do we play the game.
So for kaboom game, the step 1 is you gotta get your students or your child ready, either on the carpet or on the table. And also make sure that you go through the pinyin card and read all the pinyin, practice with them before they start the game. And also make sure that you prepare your kaboom jar. And then they will take turns to draw a popsicle stick out and read the pinyin sound. For example, if I read qi, 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 that is Q sounds qi in Chinese. That is correct. If I did it right, I can put the popsicle on my table. Because I earned it, I did it right. However, if I read it wrong, I have to return the stick back to the jar. In the meantime, sometimes when you draw a stick, it has nothing on it. That means it's a kaboom. If you got a kaboom, you have to return all your stick back to the jar. In the end, we will take turns to count who has more stick, who will be the winner.
Nice.